या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तृष्णारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः।
Durga Puja is one of the main festivals of Bengali culture. It is a 10 days festival during which people offers prayer to goddess Durga. The festival is preceded by Mahalaya, believed to mark the start of Durga's journey to her natal home with her children. Today I am going to show how to make a realistic sketch from a reference photograph. To make a realistic sketch, it is important for us to maintain the right proportion. The proportion is a very important factor while doing sketching or drawing of a realistic object. If the proportions are incorrect, then the resulting image will look less realistic and abstract. Understanding and using correct proportion in drawing portraits allow an artist to create a well-balanced, realistic representation of human form. Here in this portrait, I need to make sure the right relationship between the idol and the hand of the porter. So to start with the idol, first I have to define a reference line horizontally and another line vertically. Now measuring the right proportion between the eyes and the hand of the porter, let's draw the complete sketch of this Durga Ma idol from this reference photograph. I will bring another video where conversion of this sketch to a realistic watercolor painting will be shown. Hope you will enjoy the video.